So in this video, we're just going to quickly run through how to automate candidate sourcing using AI. Let's get into it. So this is Leadloft, and it does three things. It finds candidates, engages them, and then also tracks them. Of course, this is obviously the tracking aspect, right? Move it from new over to placed. Really straightforward, really simple. Of course, if you open up a contact here, you see what's going on. You can see the playbook they're in, any communication across email, LinkedIn, etc. So that's how it works in terms of just like the layout. If you actually want to automate the sourcing, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to go over to playbooks, and playbooks kind of operate like sequences. And from here, you can click new playbook. When you click new playbook, you can just click AI prospector. There we go. And now you just need to explain the prospect you're actually going after, right? Or at least the candidate, right? So let's just say senior software engineers located in SF, Miami, New York. There we go. I forget the short code for Miami, so we're just going to go with Miami or in out. We'll click continue there. And now it's going to start generating an audience in the background. And then now the next step is to actually build out that playbook. So not only will it source the candidates, it will actually start engaging them for you automatically. And that's kind of the magic of this. So we need to build it. We can build it by hand or with AI. Let's just save some time. We'll say outbound lead gen. And this is just a prompt template. And we'll say this template says, build a playbook with 2 emails followed by 4 LinkedIn steps, scatter cold calling tasks in between as well. If you don't want to cold call, you can delete that, but Leadloft can find direct dials, meaning cell phone numbers for candidates. So you can actually just call them directly if you want to. So next part is your pitch. And again, this is for senior software engineers. Let's just say, hey, we're hiring senior software engineers who are really experienced in Python. Are you open to new gigs? There we go. Now we'll just click generate with AI. And now what's going to happen in the background is we're going to start building up that playbook automatically. So email steps, LinkedIn steps, etc. So here we are. You can see it has that opening email here, opens with bounce shield, which can actually verify unverifiable or catch all emails. Basically ensures you have a really low bounce rate, 1% or less. Then for the automated email, we're hiring senior software engineers at Leadloft. This is our demo account. And your Python experience stood out to me. Are you open to exploring new opportunities? So I think it's actually really solid. Of course, it opens up with, would you be open to a quick chat? So this is obviously a pretty strong cold email. If I were to write one, it probably wouldn't be too much better than this. I think it's really solid. So let's scroll through here. There's calling tasks, automated connections, automated messages on LinkedIn. You can see that the style's different on LinkedIn from email, which it should be different, right? It's a chat interface versus an email interface. So I think it looks really nice. Let's go ahead and just click use playbook. There we go. And then here's the playbook all built out. If you want to edit it, you have that option, right? But if you want to just launch it and set it live, what you can do is click start playbook. And then what will happen is AI agents will go out in the background and start going candidate by candidate, prospect by prospect, seeing if they match your description here. If they match it, what will happen is we'll save their contact information, verify it in real time, and then add them to this playbook here. So of course, we'll save them and then start just engaging them across email, LinkedIn, etc., all automatically. And of course, when they reply, they'll pop up into your inbox here, and that'll be across email and LinkedIn. So it's cross-channel, which is a really cool aspect of this. And of course, from there, the main goal is just to track the follow-ups here. Talk to somebody, update them, so on and so forth throughout the candidate sourcing process. So really simple. You basically just go to playbooks, click new playbook, follow the AI prospector process, and we'll start automating outreach to candidates, sourcing them for you. It's really easy, automated, and it's a really cool feature within Leadloft. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.